Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm bringing to you a project for Beebeecraft. I use this leather cording. I will link it below. So all I did to this bracelet was make it long enough for my wrist. My wrist is about 7.5 inches. And I folded it in two and put the knot at the top and then just started adding the beads. This beautiful little bow here is actually a button from Hobby Lobby. And then the beads, the black beads, are from Michael's, and I got a little button that was gifted to me. So I just tied it to make it work as a clasp. So I think it turned out gorgeous. Let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.